The future of motorcycles is predicted to involve several significant innovations. One of them is sustainability improvement by transitioning to electric motorcycles, reducing dependence on fossil fuels and lowering carbon emissions. The development of more efficient and high-capacity batteries is crucial in enhancing the range and performance of electric motorcycles. Furthermore, the integration of autonomous technology may revolutionize road safety with features such as automatic braking and advanced navigation systems. Future motorcycles might be equipped with sensors allowing better interaction with the surrounding environment,